What's going on, everybody? It's your Fly Tech guy Mark, and today we're going to be talking about this product right here, the Blackpods Mini. They're so much better than the Blackpods Pros that I reviewed last year, and right off the bat the hardware is better, the sound's better, there's no cosmetic blemishes, no stickers hanging off, everything about them says legit. And you can also get them in white, which is even better. So let me know down in the comments below, what would you get, black or white? I think I would go with black. I think this is just a sweet product right here, sweet color, and who walks around with black AirPods in? Also, when you're down there, make sure you hit that link, go buy a pair, and use my code FLY to get an extra 15% off at purchase. Also, if you didn't sub, do that please to help me out, to help you guys out, and hit that like button. Other than that, let's dive into the review. Unboxing this device is pretty surprising, and I actually enjoyed doing it. So you obviously get the box, it comes in this simple black box. Open that up, remove the plastic, and you're right to the Blackpods Mini. Now when you pick these up, you're looking at the device, you don't really notice anything else, and then you open it a little bit more and you get a wireless charger with this device, which right off the bat is awesome. I don't have to plug in, I can plop on a wireless charger, and I love that. So that's pretty sweet. And then you get a cord for the wireless charging, no charging brick. That's pretty usual right nowadays, but that's okay, and I'm just excited that we have a wireless charger now. So that's a pretty pleasant unboxing video, but let's talk a little bit more about the device. As I mentioned before, the build quality of this device is really nice, and it's so much better than the Blackpods Pros, like I said, in the previous generation. So there's no really blemishes on the device itself. The case is very small. Obviously, saying mini pods gives it away what they were going for, but it's much smaller than a regular AirPods case, and it could fit right in that little change pocket on your shorts or jeans, which is also a big plus. Now, the buds themselves don't have any cosmetic blemishes. The pin on them is actually really small, which I kind of like, and obviously they fit just like regular AirPods. Their head size is the same as AirPods as well, so you get that comfortable fit that you know from AirPods, and in a much cheaper price. So the hardware is really great overall, and I enjoy it. The case itself is very small, like I mentioned, and it feels kind of grippy, especially on the Blackpods one, which isn't a bad thing, so I kind of like that, and it closes pretty nice. I wouldn't say as nice as the AirPods close, but those are also much more expensive than these, so that's a good thing. Overall, the hardware of this device is just very, very well built for $65. So I think overall with the hardware, they did a great job, and the headphones themselves also, like I said, no sticker blemishes, no cosmetic blemishes, everything is built extremely well. When in ear, they are pretty comfortable, almost like your regular AirPods. You can do activities with them, run around, catch a football, play frisbee, whatever it may be. They're not going to fall out, and that's pretty good. They don't hurt after a couple minutes either, like a lot of other cheap headphones do. These actually feel very comfortable, and with that said, they also last up to 4 hours with a single charge, and then the case you carry around gives an extra 24 hours. Like I said before too, it also comes with a wireless charger, so you can plop these down on a wireless charger for a couple minutes, charge them up, and you'll be ready to go. I personally don't watch anything over 4 hours at a single time, especially with headphones. Personally, all headphones hurt my ears after about 2 hours or so. So I'll watch a movie with these easy, and then I can charge them again. 4 hours is a lot of time, so I really do enjoy that. Some of the features you get with these Blackpods are putting them in your ears, both of them at the same time, and your music starts playing right away, so that's a good thing. And then obviously you have these squeeze commands, so they're just like any other headphones with the tap commands. You squeeze right at the bottom and it gives you play, pause, hang up, or answer a call. You double squeeze to go to the next track, triple squeeze to go back, which are pretty good, and I like using them. They work pretty well, but I will say it does get a little touch sensitive. So when I'm putting them in my ears, it will sometimes, tap or pause or double tap to play, because I'll just be, wiggling them in my ears. That's not a big deal, because once I get them in, then I'm completely fine, and it doesn't pick up anything after that unless I'm actually trying to do a command. So the features are pretty good with that, and I like that. So I think, having them in your ears and being able to manipulate your music is always a plus. Another plus is that you can connect these to both Android and iOS, so I really enjoyed that because I have a Pixel 4 XL and some of my friends have iPhones, so they connect just like regular AirPods would, and that's always a good thing, right? A lot of people enjoy having that same feeling as they would if they were using an Apple product or an Apple device. So I think, you know, connecting these to both Android and iOS operating systems is, again, a big plus. Now we get to the big part, which is sound. They feel great, they look great, the hardware is nice, they're nice and small, but how do they sound? Well, for $65, they sound pretty darn good, and I actually really enjoyed wearing them to listen to my music. It was very transparent, right? There's no noise cancellation, there's no in-ear noise cancellation where it blocks out sound but it's not noise canceling. So that's a big perk, right? I like to be able to hear everything outside, what's going on, but also listen to my music and hear it at a good volume. And these deliver that. Right away, I was amazed by how well they sounded. Again, for only $65. Now, are you gonna get these amazing sounding headphones like you get on AirPods Pros and Google Pixel Buds? No, but those are also both $180 and $200 something. So no, you're not gonna get that kind of sound on here. But do you get pretty darn good sound? Yeah, you do, and I'm very impressed with them, especially when you're only getting these for $65. So I think sound great, hardware great. This is just an overall really good device, and I enjoyed using it. Summing up this device right here, it's the overall best package you can get for cheap headphones. They're so much better than the Blackpods Pros that I got last year. They feel better, they fit better, they sound better, they're cheaper. Everything about them is just a better package, and I really would recommend these, to be honest. Now, if you need the premium of the premium, get AirPods Pros. Those are probably the best you can get. Get the new Bose, get the Pixel Buds, Galaxy Beans, go shell out $200, $300. But if you can spend $65 on a pair of headphones and deal with great sound for $65, great hardware for $65, and just a great package for $65, then get these. And make sure you guys use that link in the description, type in the code FLY, and you'll get an extra 15% off, which is even better. Other than that, guys, it's your Fly Tech guy, Mark. Make sure you guys go like, subscribe if you're not already. There's going to be a couple more videos coming out in this Tech-tember, and I'm pretty excited for it. I'll see you guys in the next one.